Welcome to Home of Math, Part 9, Exercise 1.5, Class 6, Mathematics. Fraction word problem 4. Show that the product of fractions 5 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 8 is equal to the product of their LCM and H.C.M. So here we have to find out three things. First one, number one, fraction product. Number two, fraction LCM. Number three, fraction HCF. Number four, compare. Okay, so step by step. Number one, fraction product. So we can write like this: fractions, this is answer, fractions 5 1 by 4 means 5 times 4 is a 20, 20 plus 1 is a 21, divide 4. Another 2 1 by 8, it means 2 times 8 is a 16 plus 1 17 and divide 8. So our first part done. Second part, is it done? No. Why? Because here mentioned fractions product. So product of fractions equals to, so here is 21 by 4 times 17 by 8. Okay, so 21 we cannot divide by 4 or 8, 17 also we cannot divide by 4 by 8, therefore we can just multiply. 4 times 8 is a 32, and here is 21 times 17. We should use calculator, where 21 times 17, which is 357. Okay, 357. Now we have to find out the fraction LCM and fraction HCF product is 357 by 32. So first part complete. This is step 1. Step 2, fraction LCM. So now we can write, now LCM and HCF, least common multiplication and highest common factor of the two fractions. So LCM of fraction equals to, here is a rule, LCM of numerator ERATORS, LCM of numerators, and HCF of denominators. Okay, so what does mean? It means LCM, here is two fraction, 21 by 4 and 17 by 8, so 21 and 17 LCM, and HCF should be 4 and 8. Okay, then so 21 and 17 we cannot find out the LCM because both are uncommon. Here is no common things. 21 we can write 3 times 7, but 17 is a prime number, therefore the LCM is what? 357. Now 4 and 8 HCF is 4. So LCM of fraction 357 by 4. Now HCF of fraction. So which is HCF of denominators divide LCM of numerators. It means HCF what? HCF 21 and 17 and LCM 4 and 8. Now look, 21 and 17, the only common factor is 1 and LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Okay, so LCM of fraction and HCF fraction we already find. Now again we back to our question where is mentioned equal to the product of LCM and HCF. So product of LCM and HCF, so product of LCM and HCF equals to, LCM is 357 divide 4 times 1 by 8. So our answer is 357 by 32. Now look, the product of fraction was 357 by 32 and also the product of LCM and HCF is 357 by 32. So we can write therefore product of fraction equals to product of LCM and HCF equals to 357 by 32. We can write proved. Okay, so we complete our math and part 9 also done. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you, and also share with your friends, because if you think it's help you, you also need help to your friend. Thank you.